Hey, what's going on? Purple, gonna get a 2J. Is this 14? What?
K24, man.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake.
Let's play a game. It's called What's in That Box?
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
K24, man.
He just told you. You lied! You're a fucking liar! Shut up!
Behind me we have these boxes here. What's in the box? He's already opened them to make sure we got everything, and we didn't have everything. But luckily, David shipped that to us FedEx overnight, so we got it for this weekend so we could start test fitting. See what's in the box.
Okay, that's what they forgot.
Oh, they forgot the adapter plate, so that's okay.
Yeah.
Oh shit, what's that say there? Oh, it's backwards, but okay. Says, wait. Oh shit. Says K, E36, E46. That means K24, K20 to BMW training. Very cool, very cool. Now we've seen Speed Academy do this. It's funny because me and GS have been talking about this for a very long time. We actually wanted to K-swap his Miata at one time, and then he really likes the S14, and then he finally got a beautiful S14, so it's K-swap time. Something that's much different than the Speed Academy guys is you got a custom clutch, right?
Yeah, a twin plate. The first that Miata made. So even David won once.
Damn, that's small, man.
What? 7.25. It's this.
Damn, that's some money right there. Quartermaster. You know when you see that shit's serious. Oh,
Stickers.
we're gonna. Okay. I was gonna say we gotta stick this on the car, but it's Miata.
Well, we'll cut it there.
Okay. K-swap, yeah. All right.
So,
Damn. That's sick.
that's a twin plate. That's pretty much it.
Quartermaster twin plate unsprung race disc. How much horsepower is this rated?
Horsepower, I don't know. But torque, 600.
600 bad boys to the wheel in this thing. And that thing with that little motor right there?
Maybe 1,000.
1,000? Probably because
it's a Honda, so.
it's Honda. So David actually made a mistake when they ordered the plate and they got the thicker plates.
Exact.
That has even more clamping force than what it's supposed to be. So it might actually be rated more than 600.
Exact.
Sick!
So clutch.
Clutch, adapter plate. Sweet.
I think that's the bolt for the
K-Series to
adapter plate.
E46, that looks like the adapter plate bolts, yeah. Pretty standard.
That's the throwout.
Custom throwout bearing.
Yeah, by Tilton.
Damn.
I don't know where his road, but I know where it is. Right there.
Oh. Tilton, baby.
Oh, that's the shifter kit.
Oh shit.
That's the rod for Miata. But we're gonna need to.
We're probably gonna have to cut this and extend it
Exact.
by a lot, but
Well, we'll just fuck it. That's the shifter.
okay, yeah. That's sick. It's like the bushing to hold
for
the shifter in place.
Yeah. I don't know beyond the body, but
What's really nice with this shifter, it's a base plate. So you make a custom, you can bolt this to the transmission tunnel and then you stick your shifter in it. It's really sick.
it's gonna make the swap easier.
I'm not gonna lie, I could do that at work really easy.
Yeah. I think that's the ARP.
Yeah, for the clutch. Flywheel.
Flywheel, yeah. A little spacer.
Oh, okay.
And that's for the shifter again.
Oh.
So what's in this one? Ah, flywheel. Twin plate flywheel. That's so
That's crazy.
light.
So this is a piece of billet aluminum that's milled down, and then they have these exchangeable,
Yeah.
you can change these when these wear out. And then you got the starter ring gear that's bolted on. It's pretty standard with aftermarket. That's sick.
It's fucking light though.
Yeah. Dude, it's gonna rev so fast.
Okay, S14. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
So that's what's in the box.
Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh!
What?
Alright, so we we test fitted the engine real quick. We took off the stock oil pan because that thing needs to be chopped up, and that oil pump is removed because we're going to put one with no balance shaft so we can actually gain some oil pan clearance. So far we've put the engine just to say, and we might actually it's actually probably going to come back a bit depending where the oil pan can sit. We're going to try and make it so we don't have to cut the subframe. I know the Speed Academy guys did it because they really wanted the engine as far back as possible, but considering a JZ sits here and it's like a freaking iron block, and this is an aluminum block, I don't know, and the tranny is smaller than like a SR tranny. It's going to be a really light package. As you guys can see, the transmission is very small. This is a BMW ZF transmission from a 330 Ci. And it's going to have the custom throwout bearing. It's going to go here. And then the rest is pretty much stock. For the shifter, we're probably going to have to cut this transmission tunnel a bit maybe, or put a plate, fit it there. And yeah, there's still a lot of stuff to make it work in this car. So I got to remove those stupid little tower things. Got to remove this thing here and put it on that side because it's right-hand drive now. Very important. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So this is the K Miata adapter plate to a BMW transmission. This is a K24. You can go K20, but why would you? What engine you want to run?
K24.
Yeah, but what else?
This year is gonna be a TS608,
Okay.
and next year is gonna be a CRV,
Okay.
but fully built.
This is a CRV?
Yeah,
Okay, so this is the one we're going to build.
yeah,
So we're going to sleeve the block and shit.
exactly.
Okay. People want to know, though, why a K24? If you don't know GS, he's a Honda boy, so, you know, he likes him Hondas.
Ah, man! Ah!
I want a VTEC and a drift car, you know?
Bah! Well, boys, ooh, that's kind of what it looks like right now. We still need to tilt the engine over a little bit. Maybe not as much as the Speed Academy guys. I'm actually gonna go rewatch their videos because they've been having problems with oil pressure on a certain side. I want to remember and know exactly what side. See, the firewall spacing is actually pretty decent. And if we go with the, I don't know what oil pump that is there, but for sure it's got to go up like a little bit too because,
yeah.
And they did subframe lowering, but we're not going to do that because then that kills your bump stop. But transmission's on, adapter plate, engine, mock-up engine. I like it. These lines aren't going to exist anymore either because
That's stock.
electric power steering.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.